If you've been trying to play Roblox Rivals without dealing with crowded public lobbies, this is going to help you out fast. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create your own free private server in Roblox Rivals. No Robux needed, no complicated setup, just a clean walkthrough so you can jump straight into your own space with friends. First, head over to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top and type Rivals. You should see it pop up under Experiences. Click it. From the results page, select the official Rivals experience. It's usually the very first one that shows up. When the game page opens, scroll down a little until you see the Servers tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the magic happens. You should see an option that says Create Private Server. And the best part, it's completely free, no Robux required. Click the button, choose a name for your server, and then hit Buy Now to confirm. Once it's created, you'll get a confirmation message, and from there you can hit Customize if you want to adjust your server settings. Make sure Allow Joining is turned on. If it's off, nobody, including you, will be able to get into the server. After that, scroll down and click the option to generate a private server link. Copy it, send it to your friends, and just like that, everyone can join your private server instantly. And that's all it takes. Super quick, super simple, and totally free. Now you're ready to enjoy Roblox Rivals without the chaos of random players. If this helped you out, dropping a like or subscribing really supports the channel and helps more players find guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new private server.